Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn a very easy method by which we can multiply two matrices using block multiplication. Okay, so here I have taken two matrices, that is A and B. Now here the main important question is how to make blocks. See, you all can make a block in any way. You all can divide this matrices the way you all want, but one thing you all have to keep in mind, that is the columns of A should be equal to the rows of B, wherein A and B are the blocks or cells which you all are making from the given matrices. Okay, so now I'll tell you all how to begin with this. So now this matrix I am having A. Okay, now what I am doing, I am doing a partition like this. Okay, I am doing partition like this, and I am doing partition like this. Okay, first I am trying this way, and here also what I am doing partition like this. Okay, because I want. Okay, so this way I am doing the partition, and whatever these blocks are formed, they are known as blocks. Okay, after doing partitions, whatever these small matrices which are formed, they are known as block. Okay, now we have to multiply these blocks, therefore it is known as block multiplication. Okay, just keep this thing in mind. Now this one partition I have make. Now I want to multiply AB. So before multiplying AB, now whatever blocks which are formed by the partition, I will name them as, I will give them some name. Okay, so suppose A, in this 1 2 3 4 blocks are formed. So this will be, I'll take this as A, F. Now since here in this block only 0 elements are there, so I will write this as 0 1, and here I'll take this as G. Okay, then in this matrix also I'll write, so this I will take it as R, this I will write it as S, this I will write. Now here also all 0 elements are there, so 0 2, and here I will write, give the name T. Okay, so when we were multiplying two matrices, that time we were multiplying the two elements, yes, from this and this. Now we have to multiply A and B using the blocks. Okay, so now AB, when I will multiply these two, the corresponding blocks will also get multiplied, and the same way how we were multiplying the matrices, same way we have to multiply. Okay, so now how we multiply with the first row and the first column. Okay, so first row, first column, so E into R plus F into, this is a 0 matrix. Okay, so F into 0, it will give you 0. Okay, so plus 0, it will give us only ER. Now again with the first row and the second column, so E into S plus F into T. Then again with the second row, 0 into R plus G into 0, so this will be 0. And the last one with the second row, second column, so 0 into S will give us 0 and G into T. Now here you have to keep in mind how the partitions, whether the partitions which you all have made is correct or not. Okay, so here from this step you have to verify. If not, then here only you have to make changes in the partition. Now here what you all can see, E will be multiplied with R. Now E is nothing but this block matrices, and R is this block matrices. So we are going to multiply this and this matrix. Yes, so now here you have to check whether the columns of this matrix and rows of this matrix are equal. Then only you all can go ahead, then only we will check this. Now here the columns of this matrix is 2, and here also 2, that means E into R, so this is valid. Okay, now moving here, E into S. So E into S meaning, again we have to see whether we are whether it is applicable to multiply these two block matrices. For that we have to check this condition. Now E is this and S is this. Again the columns of this matrix, that is 2, and rows of this matrix are equal. So this is also done. Now again F into T. So F is here, that is this, and T is here. Now here how many columns are there in 1 and 0? So 2 rows 1 column, and here 1 row 2 columns. That means here also 1 column is there and here 1 row. That means this is also done. Now here this will be a 0 matrix, we are not bothered. Then G into T, that means this G and this T. Okay, so now here 1 row 1 column, and here 1 row 2 column. Again columns and rows are equal, so this is also we can do. That means the conditions are satisfied. That means after making the partition, you all have to see whether whatever blocks you all have formed by doing the partition, whether the columns of that first block and the second block which you are using to multiply should be equal. Now from here you have to proceed further. Till here is your main job. If any of the condition was not satisfying, then you have to change the partition. Okay, so now this partition is correct, so we will go ahead now with now E. You all know E is nothing but this matrix. So E is equal to, what is that, 1 2 3 and 4. Now everyone knows how to multiply two matrices. Okay, so then what is our R? R is this 1 2 4 5. Okay, then E is again same, S is this, that is 3 6 1 1. Okay, F is what? F is this, that is 1 comma 0. And what is our T? T is equal to 0 comma 1. Now usually we have to multiply the how we were multiplying the two matrices and proceed. Okay, now first let us multiply E and R. Okay, so after multiplying E and R, what we will get? Now this is very simple. Now E and R. Okay, so with the first row first column, so this is 1 plus 6, oh no, 1 plus 8, so this is 9. Then again 2 plus 10 12. Okay, I am doing this fast because you all know how to multiply two matrices. Okay, I am assuming this. So and with this, so 3 ones are 3 plus 16, so this is 19. And then with this and this, so 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 20 is 26. So we have got our ER. Now ES plus FT. Now first let us find what is ES. ES is equal to E into S. So with the first row first column, so 3 plus 12 15. Okay, then with the first row and the second column, so which is 3 again. Then with this second row first column, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 24 is I think 33. Yes, 9 plus 24, yes, 33. And again with the second row second column, so this is 7. Okay, then what will be our FT? F into T. So what will be this? With 1 and 0, so this will be 0. Then again with this and this, so this will be 1. Then again with 0 and 0. Then ES plus FT, what we will get? ES plus FT, what we will get? We will get 15 4 33 and 7. Okay, so after doing this ES plus FT, now only one thing is remaining, that is GT, that is multiplying G into T. Now what is our G? Okay, G I have not written. G just a singleton element 2. Okay, now let us find G into T. Now G is only singleton element 2 into T is what? T is 0 and 1. So after multiplying this, what we will get? So we will get 0, yes, and 2, 0 comma 2. So this will be our GT. Okay, so once you find a partition, okay, then it becomes easy. Now everything whatever you have done, that is the GT, ES plus FT, ER and 0, that you have to substitute in this AB. So here our final answer is AB is equal to, okay, so AB will be equal to, I am writing directly, 9, 12, 15, 4, 19, 26, 33, 7, 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so this is the matrix. First we have got 9, 12, 19, 26, then that is ES plus FT, that is 15, 4, 33, 7. This is the 0 element and 0, 2 is our GT. Okay, so this is way you have to do block multiplication. Now there are other ways also by which you can make a partition of this matrices and still you will get the same answer. Okay, so in the next video we will see the same problem, but by doing the other partition we will get the same answer.